In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoHighLevel with Make.com 2025. Integrate GoHighLevel with Make.com step by step. By the end, you'll have the official Make.com app installed inside your GoHighLevel workspace so you can automate tasks like syncing contacts, updating pipelines, and triggering actions across your favorite tools. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct location in GoHighLevel and that your user has permission to install apps. Having the right workspace selected up front will keep everything organized. Start from your GoHighLevel dashboard. This is your home base, and it confirms you're in the right location. Take a quick look at the sidebar to ensure you're viewing the account where you want the integration to live. If you manage multiple locations, double-check the location switcher at the top so the app installs exactly where you intend. Next, open the App Marketplace from the left-hand navigation. This is where GoHighLevel lists vetted integrations. Inside the marketplace, use the search bar or browse through the available apps until you find Make. You're looking for the Make.com integration listing that includes a description of what it connects and any permission details. Reviewing the description here is helpful, so you know what data the integration can access and what it will enable for your automations later. Select the Make listing to open its details page, then choose Install. At this point, GoHighLevel may prompt you to confirm the location or acknowledge the permissions the app needs to run. Read through those prompts and confirm to proceed. Installation usually completes in just a few moments. When it's done, you should see the app marked as installed for your current location. A quick tip: if you don't immediately see Make after installation, refresh your browser or revisit the Integrations or Marketplace section to verify it shows as active. Also, if your account uses role-based permissions, an administrator may need to enable Marketplace access for your user first. With the Make app installed in GoHighLevel, you're set to build automations on the Make side that interact with your GoHighLevel data. That could include triggers like new leads, updated opportunities, or form submissions, and actions such as creating contacts or moving deals along a pipeline. Keep your naming conventions consistent across both platforms so scenarios remain easy to manage as you scale. If you run into issues during install, confirm you're in the correct location, clear your cache, or try another browser. Often it's just a permission or workspace mismatch. That's it. You've successfully added the Make.com integration to GoHighLevel, laying the groundwork for powerful, time-saving automations across